Hello everyone, I'm Travis, and let's get Wanderlost. Continuing our quest to find the best Christmas lights and Christmas displays in the DFW area, we went to the Sugar Lane Lights in Haslet, Texas. We had gotten several people to comment on our other Christmas light videos to check out the Sugar Lane Lights, so we were super excited to try it out. The Sugar Lane Lights are a drive-through Christmas lights display with tons of different scenes, lights, and it's all set to music that you listen to on your FM radio. This light display is owned by two different families in the Haslet area. We spent roughly $40 for our car to drive through the Sugar Lane Lights, and their prices range from the $40 all the way up to $50 depending on what day you decide to go. This display is down a dirt road into an open field, so be careful if you drive a car that is lower to the ground like we did. There are some potholes and that sort of stuff on the road that may be a problem if your car is too low. That's enough talking for now, so sit back, relax, and watch as we drive through the Sugar Lane Lights, which is the Sweetest drive-through light show in Texas. Now for our honest review of the Sugar Lane lights in Haslet, Texas. The Sugar Lane lights are very similar to the light park in Arlington, Texas that we experienced last year. And we would probably prefer the light park over the Sugar Lane lights for a couple different reasons. The light park had more displays, more lights, and the music was a lot more energetic and I guess matched the overall show scenes a little bit better than it did at the Sugar Lane lights. But if you're not interested in driving all the way to Arlington or all the way to Frisco, the Sugar Lane lights are a good alternative to that light show. It's locally owned, which is always good if you want to keep your money within the community. And it wasn't as crowded as the light park. So that's always a good thing if you want to slow down, take pictures, and spend more time with your $40 that you spent to drive through a Christmas lights display. All in all, I don't think you go wrong by going to the Sugar Lane lights. It was a really good display. Again, it's locally owned, and it's definitely better than the gift of lights at the Texas Motor Speedway by a lot. So go there over that. We're going to continue our quest looking for the best Christmas lights and Christmas displays within the DFW area. If you have any questions about the Sugar Lane lights or any of the places that we've already been, or have a suggestion of a place that we should check out, leave them in the comments section below. And as always, make sure you like and subscribe.